Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is Ramadan Kareem and Eid Mubarak templates for Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, but these are protected. Password in this app, all password in this app, and here is my Facebook page, join me. Last is Telegram channel, join me for latest notification. Okay, here is Eid Mubarak Instagram story in 3 different format. Luxury Eid Instagram story, you can add or write anything in Photoshop. Here is for social media, AI Adobe Illustrator, Eid Mubarak special sale. You can mention your sale or your product image here. Ramadan Kareem, here is AI EPS PSD. For example, open this one. You can import anything. Open this one. Now we need an image. For example, I drag this one. Or enter. Create clipping mask. Control S for saving. You see our images here, your website, or you can mention anything. Okay. Now, same thing here. Just import your photo. Control S. Our flyer is ready. Special offer discount 20%. Write anything. Wow. NYC, New York City. And here is a different design. Next is same thing here, just change color by 3 free one. Okay. Ramadan Kareem, you can edit anything. Here is special offer. Replace image and change text. I hope these are useful for you. Download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.